Okay, so the last thing I want to talk about is Siser Easy Patterns. Have you heard of them? These are patterned heat transfer vinyl. In case you haven't heard of them, it's just patterned heat transfer vinyl that you can apply on your garment with a home iron or a heat press. What's different? Well, it's totally different. Check this out. We just came out with Siser EasyPSV Patterns. So, for those that aren't familiar, EasyPSV is pressure sensitive vinyl. So what we did is we have patterns in our EasyPSV line now. So, for those that are familiar with the Easy Pattern Heat Transfer Vinyl, which is applied on this bag with heat, we now have an option for you with the same exact patterns, but now as a decal. So what I'm going to do is decorate this tumbler using the EasyPSV patterns. Now, for those that are not familiar with patterned vinyl like this, you do not mirror your cut. So when you send it to your silhouette or your vinyl cutter, you're going to send it like you would normally read it. Siser EasyPSV Patterns is also a permanent adhesive, so be careful. Make sure you know that when you're applying it to whatever substrate you're doing. So it does have a paper backing. Again, you're not going to cut in reverse. You want to make sure you're using Siser application tape or this mask. The application mask is made for the EasyPSV line. Okay. So you either want to start in the center and kind of roll to the side, use a squeegee, create a bond. Now you can keep it on the paper backing until you're ready to go. I like to make sure that I have the bond correct, because in case there's spots like that I need to apply more pressure. And that looks good to go. Okay. All right, so we are going to decorate this tumbler here. You want to make sure you have open space to do that. If you have something to hold the tumbler, that might work better for you. I'm going to apply the two different EasyPSV patterns. Now, little trick for those that are not familiar with applying with curvatured objects like this. I like to do relief cuts, which are simply just cutting relief cuts into the carrier or the application tape. You're not cutting into the transfer itself. But what this is going to do is allow this one big solid piece to go around a corner or a round curve a little bit nicer than one solid transfer. Make sure you don't cut your transfer though. Okay. All right. So basically, like I said, this is permanent, so make sure that you have everything set up the way you need it. And I'm just going to start in the center. And again, with the relief cuts, what's good is you can kind of take your time and place each area down correctly. So I'm just going to use my fingers at first to kind of get the transfer down onto the tumbler, and then I'll use the squeegee to really even it out. So I'm just going to take the felt end of my squeegee, just create a little bit more of a bond. Now some surfaces might be a little harder for the pattern to actually stick to right away. If you're noticing it doesn't stick after you're peeling the mask, you may need to just leave it for a little bit. So you could just set it aside for a little bit and let the adhesive of the EasyPSV pattern just kind of set into that substrate. If you notice that when you peel the carrier sheet, it doesn't actually stick. So now I'm just going to peel back my application tape against itself. Perfect. The one downfall of doing the relief cut is unfortunately you're not able to reuse the application tape, so that'll be garbage, but check it out, it came out flawlessly. I do have my second color I'm going to place right underneath this. I'm going to do the same thing, cut some relief cuts. Just use a squeegee. And peel, oh, some of it's, okay. And peel back against itself. Again, if you have any lifting, that's all right. You just need to apply a little bit more pressure down. Good to go. Check that out. So that is the big benefit now with the EasyPSV pattern that can now go with those easy pattern heat transfer vinyls you're doing. So if you want something that's going to match to go along with something like a garment or any kind of textile, now you can decorate that substrate with the exact same patterns with any Siser EasyPSV patterns or the easy pattern heat transfer vinyls. So check that out. Let us know what you think. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for more videos from us at Siser North America. If you're looking to get your hands on any Siser products, please contact your authorized Siser distributor or authorized Siser reseller. If you don't have one of those, please contact us at info@siserna.com. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have questions or anything, please make sure you leave them in the comments below. I'm Joe with Siser North America, and I'll see you all next time.